In this video, we will review the HIX.AI tool together and see if it is worth your money or not. Let's learn first what HIX.AI is. Simply put, it has AI assistants that work together to think and create the project or goal you want. For example, you write your prompt in the chat box, and then the assistants on the left, as you can see here, start talking to each other to find the best possible answer for you. This reduces mistakes, which usually happen with traditional AI tools, especially if you are a beginner and do not know how to write strong prompts. And to be honest, this is the biggest problem most of us face with AI. Now let's see who can benefit from HIX.AI. Actually, anyone who makes content online, like people who write SEO articles or make short videos for ads or for your product or for YouTube. Also, students or teachers can use the deep search tool in HIX.AI to write research papers or get information. Finally, anyone who wants to start a new business will find this tool helpful to get ideas, write code, design a logo, or create images for ads, and many other things. The tool gives you a free trial with 20 credits, and I will leave the link below for you to try it. And if you like it, you can subscribe to one of their plans. Now, after I logged in, I tried to write a prompt to find digital product ideas to sell online that are easy to compete with, and I chose the deep search option, but the 20 free credits finished very quickly, because this tool does not just do a simple chat like free tools. Instead, it runs AI agents in the background that scan the whole internet and analyze data, which takes a lot of computer power, so you must watch your credit use carefully. Regarding the plans, the first plan starts at $19.99 per month, and the second one costs $29.99. And of course, if you pay yearly, the monthly cost will be cheaper. Notice here that each plan gives you a specific number of credits, and the more you pay, the more credits you get. Regarding AI models, they have everything from ChatGPT to Gemini Pro and the new Claude Opus. And they even have famous video AI models like Google's Veo 3.1 and Seedance 2, which is very good because having all models in one place saves you from buying subscriptions to many different websites. It is best to subscribe for just 1 month first to try the platform and see how many credits you need for your work. Then you can decide whether to continue or not. Now let's talk about the pros of HIX.AI. The best thing is having all AI models together, which saves you a lot of money instead of paying for many tools at the same time. Also, the AI assistants work together to give you great results for articles, videos, images, or code. So even if you don't know how to write prompts, the smart AI will find the best way to deliver your project. Thanks to the online search agent, the tool will never suffer from a lack of information about current events or new stats, and you will also save time and finish your content very quickly because the assistants do the hard work without needing to spend time fixing your prompts. Now let's talk about the cons of HIX.AI. I think the main problem is that it uses a lot of credits. So if your project is big, you might need to buy more credits and pay more than your basic plan. Also, using the platform might be hard for some people at first because there are too many features in one place. So you might need some time to get used to it, but it is not a big problem. In the end, here's my personal opinion on HIX.AI. If you are just looking for a simple chat tool to ask questions and get basic answers, free tools are enough for you and there is no need to waste your money here. But if you are a professional content creator, a freelancer, or a student whose daily work depends on AI, this tool is a very smart investment. Why? Because it simply stops the problem of using too many tools. Instead of paying for ChatGPT, another tool for images, a third one for video, and a fourth one for SEO, HIX.AI brings all these powerful models like Claude, Gemini, and Google video models into one platform. Yes, the credits finish fast, but the value, time, and money you save by having these smart assistants work for you is worth every dollar. My advice to you is that you lose nothing. So sign up now using the link in the description below the video and try the 20 free credits to see the assistant system for yourself. And if you like it, start with a 1-month subscription to test your usage before you choose a yearly plan. I hope this review was helpful to you, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see everything new in the world of technology and AI, and see you in the next video.